Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. Hi, this is James again with JJ Media, and this time I'm doing a review, a product review. And I'm not going to be going to the computer, I'm going to be doing it all from the camera here. Due to the product review, I'm going to show you the product review. First of all, if you want to see some of my product reviews, you can go to there and you can actually see my coffee review, and today I am reviewing another coffee. I am a huge coffee drinker, and I like my coffee black, no sugar, and so today I'm actually reviewing the Noir Folgers Satin. Now the video that you'll see up above me that I showed you is the Noir Folgers, but it's the dark, and this one actually only has two dark, where the other, they have several different selections of this type of coffee, and this is only two dark, and the other review was the three dark, the most dark, and I really like that. So I'm actually reviewing this, which it's still good, but I really like dark, and compared to their darkest of this style, the brand, the Noir Folgers Noir, this is not quite as strong. It's still smooth, but it's not quite as strong as for my liking. But if you are a coffee drinker that doesn't like it quite as strong, this would probably be for you. So again, go to the video. I'll have that up there, or you can click, I'll have a link down below for my other review on their stronger coffee, the Noir Folgers, and you can click the link below. You can get it at your local store. You can also purchase it online. I'll have my Amazon affiliate below. You can take a look at it. But it is a good coffee. It's good, but it's not as strong. And I like their other stronger coffee. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Make sure you're subscribed. You share, and go below and connect on our social media channels. So thank you for watching this review, and have a great day, and we will see you in our next video.